Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Tuesday's Tea. We are taking a nice sip into Destiny Hijacking Leads to Destiny Swapping. Part 2, The Swap. Destiny swapping is the action on swapping the unfulfilling life path to steal the fulfilling life path. The dark practitioner has his meeting with the enemy, or should I say the thief, and then when he compiles his information, which is photos, names, or if they have anything from that person, he summons his monitoring spirit or jinn to start the process on the destiny swap between that individual so the other individual can receive the benefits. It doesn't feel like a sudden change. It feels like something you adjust to. At first, it's just patterns, routines you don't question, choices that feel familiar, not necessarily true. You say yes and a little more. You ignore what you feel, a little more easy. And over time, you stop choosing. You stop repeating. What once felt like a moment becomes a way of being. And slowly, your life begins to form from things that were never felt fully aligned with you. Not all at once, not loud enough to notice, but enough that one day something feels off and you don't know why. This is the part most people miss. It's not that you lost your path. It is that it was slowly replaced. This is the swamp.